Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started the channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK, and I also share my analysis on the 10 currency pairs daily, including Euro, British Pound. And sorry for not having a professional background. I am just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Probably you can hear the sound of aeroplane. I stay nearby airport. News today I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro British Pound right now. Today is 23rd Feb 2021 Tuesday. So this analysis is for today only. Tuesday 23rd Feb. Okay. So we can see that market overall trend of the market is in towards downside. Market is in downtrend and surprisingly it is following this trend line. Okay. You can see that it's following a trend line. Let me change the value to 50. It may be following the 50-period moving average, kind of. Anyways, okay, you see that market is following the trend line. Okay. And right now trading at 0.8624. So what do you need to do here? You don't need to execute a trade in here or here. Okay, as the market is in downtrend and we all know that trend is our best friend, our best buddy in our market, so we should stay with the trend. We should not go against the trend. It's not it. So when market will hit this particular trend line and you'll see some price rejection from above, okay, or pattern like this, like this, like this, like this. When you'll see that, okay, from the trend line prices reversing again, you can go for shorting the market. Okay, and that's it. That is the only strategy available for Euro British Pound for the day. Okay. Yesterday also it was in downtrend. I also told that uh, when it will hit the trend line, just short the market. Again today the strategy remains the same. When it will hit the trend line, this trend line above, short the market. Okay. There is no buy call here. There's no position to buy here. Stay with the trend. Short term market when it will hit the trend line above. That's it. So this is it for the Euro British Pound for the day. Tomorrow I'll come down again with the tomorrow's analysis. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can check out my website. Uh, the link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.